exciting. Pardon me, have you two seen Lord Rimuru anywhere?
No, I can't say that I have.
It is a great tragedy. I've yet to lay eyes on his visage.
Oh, I see. Lord Rimuru, where have you run off to?
Look at that. This place really has grown, huh? Our festival to celebrate the inception of our nation of monsters, Tempest, was a huge success. It started out as just a tiny little goblin village. From there, things steadily grew from that podunk village into a proper town, and we gained a ton of new friends. We've got loads of different urban planning projects underway, including a super crazy dungeon we opened up. I want to keep up this momentum until we build a world where monsters and humans can prosper alongside one another. A monster and man alliance of the ages! And I'll still be counting on your help, Raphael.
Understood. Leave it to me, Master.